Hi, my name is Travis Austin,
And this is Nathan Kurtz.
and we work with the New Boundary Technologies Support Department. Today, we're going to talk about Prism Suite's asset management component, specifically importing data one would want in Asset Manager. Nathan?
Lots of organizations have a multitude of diverse information about their environment that they would like to have tracked within Asset Manager. Asset Manager's import data functionality allows one to bulk add that information to the product. We can import data about inventoried hardware, license units, non-scannable assets, and scanned assets. Today we are going to import data about non-scannable assets. Asset Manager has the ability to import files from an XLS, a text, a CSV, a tab, or an ASC file. So let us browse to the file that I've got, which is an XLS file. And I know that the first row in this document has data containing the names of the columns that are underneath of it. So I want to leave this box here checked. And then when I hit next, I want to select the sheet in this Excel document that we are importing data from, and then select the primary column that we want to pull information in. So in my spreadsheet, the column is named header, and we want to import that into the asset name section. And when I hit the next page, I get to see what the rest of the columns are. Since I have that first row being column headers, I actually get to see what those headers are. If I did not have column headers, then I would just see F1, F2, F3 for the names of the columns. So now I can pick from the columns in the Excel spreadsheet and match that with what the field within inside of Asset Manager that data should be going into, and then add them here. So I'm just going to match everything in the Excel document to what it should be matching with inside of Asset Manager. And then once I've matched all of those items in the Excel document, I can hit next, and then I just want to verify that this is the information and how I would like it displayed to make sure that I matched the fields in Asset Manager to the columns correctly, and then select Import Now. And that finished very quickly, so I can hit Finish. And now if we go to the Assets tab and expand all assets and look at non-scannable assets, we can now see that I have 5 monitors with the manufacturer as well as the additional information that I had added in through the import utility.
Nathan, I don't recall monitor being an asset type when we discussed that in our last video.
That is correct. It was not. Before I performed the importation, I had to create an asset type for monitor. So I went into Manage Asset Types and had hit Add, and then made a new asset type named Monitor.
So then, not only are our monitors in our non-scannable asset tag, but would they also be in the monitor?
They also do show up when we select the asset type Monitor. We see the information here as well. Additionally, as well as needing to have pre-made the monitor asset type, in order to have imported the data into the user-defined fields, vendor and screen size, I needed to pre-make those user-defined fields. Those are not made by the importation of the Excel document.
Well, that is our video about Prism Suite's Asset Manager import functionality. We will have an additional video about Prism Suite's Asset Manager functionality, which is going to cover reports.